We're standing here in front of Coffman Road. Over the last 3 decades, Road and Bridge has devoted a lot of time and effort and materials into repairing this road. Coffman Road is built on highly expansive soils, so it moves around a lot, and it's just like the foundation on a house. If your house is moving around, the foundation's moving around, you're gonna see cracks in the walls and in the ceilings and the floors. Same with our roadways. You'll see those cracks and failures in the roadway. What the public has seen out on Coffman Road is large potholes, big settlement, and humps and dips in the road. That's due to the expansive soils underneath moving around. So this project's intent is to add cement to those soils underneath and firm up that foundation that the road is built on. So this project's a little unique. At the very beginning, they brought in a miller that ground up all the asphalt on top. And then they brought in a reclaimer, which is just a larger grinder, basically, that goes through and grinds up that gravel and blends it all together and mixes that material with the asphalt millings. We reused all those materials so they didn't go to waste. And then they'll tailgate cement powder, the same cement powder you would see in your sidewalks or any other concrete. They're tailgating that out on the surface of the road, and then they bring that blender in again, and it blends that cement in with the soils, adds water, and then lays it back out. They then bring in heavy rollers and recompact that, and then that'll set up similar to concrete. And then here in a couple more weeks, we'll be paving it. If you're wanting to get to the old Spanish trailhead, you'd want to come in off the 141 side. It is closed all off at Hookless and at the Road and Bridge facility. Landfill access would be coming in still off of 31.5, but all other traffic should be coming in on the 141 side and accessing Coffman through that side. Probably late summer, we'll possibly have it open to traffic again.